Looking for easy living? Welcome to Riverwood Valley, where living is affordable, convenient, and beautiful. So what makes living here so easy? This first floor living community brings convenience to you with all the essentials on the main level so you don't have to worry about the stairs. We'll also handle the outdoor maintenance so you don't have to. Spend less time shoveling snow or mowing your lawn and more time enjoying the things you love, from hosting the family, hanging out with your furry friend, or biking at a nearby park. Riverwood Valley truly lets you get the most out of your living situation. This beautiful, established community offers something for everyone. Imagine sitting by the fire or playing pickleball with friends. Take a walk to the community clubhouse, where you can enjoy the lounge areas, chef's kitchen, fitness center, and more. Stroll along the community sidewalks and take in the surrounding trees and pond views. You'll feel at home from the moment you arrive. Start saving today with a 15-year tax abatement. You can save hundreds on your monthly payment, letting you spend more on the things you love. Yes, you heard that right. You can also own your own home for just about what you'd pay in rent, so you can start investing in your future today. Located near all of the major routes, you'll be only minutes to Cuyahoga Falls, Fairlawn, and Akron. With plenty of dining options, parks, and shopping to choose from, you don't have to go far for what you need. Now is your chance to get everything you've been looking for, and it's within reach. Are you picturing your life here? Want to know how you can take advantage of making the dream of living at Riverwood Valley a reality? Take action today and click the orange button for more information. Your future self will thank you.